Let's solve this nice algebra problem together. Here given a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 is equal to 64 and a times b is equal to 8. Then we have to find a plus b. Let's start. Here I will write given equation a square minus b square is equal to 64. Here I will use identity and can write it a plus b times a minus b equal to 64. What I will do, I will take a square in both sides. So it will be a plus b whole square times a minus b whole square equal to a square of 64. I will use identity here and can write a square plus b square plus 2 times a times b times a square plus b square minus 2 times a times b, and this is equal to a square of 64. Here it is, let this is x, this is y, this is x, and this is y. So it will be a square of x, that means a square plus b square over power 2 minus square of 2 times ab, and this will be equal to a square of 64. This is a square plus b square whole over power 2 equal to 64 square plus 4 times a times b whole square. This is 64 square 4 times, and a times b we have here 8. So it will be 4 times a square of 8. 64 square plus 4 times 64. I will take 64 common here. We'll get 64 plus inside bracket, so it will be 64 times 68. Hence a square plus b square will be equal to x minus 16 times square root of 17. We have to find a plus b whole square. It can be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times a times b, and a square plus b square is here plus minus 16 times square root of 17 plus 2 times a times b, and a times b we have 8. So it will be plus minus 16 times square root of 17 plus 16. A plus b will be what? Will be plus minus square root of 16 times plus minus square root of 17, and be plus minus 4 times square root of 1 plus minus square root of 17. We will have 4 values for a plus b. So this is our answer. Thank you.